A very good morning to all of you. Today we'll do a very important topic of advanced computer architecture, and the concept is of a reservation table. The reservation table is a way of representing the task flow pattern in a particular pipeline system, and the specification is that reservation table is a way of representing, and the entries of the table is specified by 0 or 1. If the resource is used in time slice, then the element has entry 1, or otherwise it has an entry 0. So the reservation table specified by the finding out the forbidden set of latencies and the collision vector. The forbidden set of latencies are found out by difference between the 2x in a particular state diagram, and the for stage 1 it's 6 minus 1, that's 5. For stage 2 it's 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 and 4 don't have a double x, and for stage 5 it is 6 minus 2, that is you found 4. So we got the forbidden set of latencies as 3, 4 and 5. Now the collision vector can be found out by specifying 1, 1 and 1 at 3, 4, 5. So that 3, 4, 5 is 1, 1, 1, and remaining are 0, 0. So we get 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now we'll build a state diagram with the help of a table method. So what we'll take that initial collision vector, perform a shift, that is a simple arithmetic shift, and if the out is 0 for the LSB digit, then the new state will be yes. Similarly, for the second state we'll do the same thing. The third and fourth stages are also done the same thing until we get all 0, 0, 0, 0, zeros, that is in the sixth stage. Remember that if the LSB digit has 0 as the out, then the new state will be yes, otherwise the new state will be the no. And also we need to remember that if we are getting 1 after shifting, then we have to take what? We have to just reverse that 1 into 0 that we have done at stage 4 and 5. Now since we had 1 at 1, 2 and 6, what we'll take their shifted value, and we'll perform an OR operation with the particular initial collision vector, and we'll get the new collision vectors at 1, 2 and 6. Now we'll build two tables because the 6 we have the same initial collision vector. So again we'll build two tables of 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So then this is the table that is being built with 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. We'll perform the same steps. The thing that you need to be careful in this particular analysis is that all the yes will be performed as shift with the shifted value and the initial collision vector to get the OR operation being performed. So this is the sixth step that is being done with the initial collision vector 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now in the seventh step we have to build the state diagram, and the state diagram is being built by taking the three collision vectors, that is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, that is being built, whose tables are being built in the previous slides, and then we'll specify their movement with the values they have got in the yes vector. Then the simple cycle is being built, where the cycle is being performed in the space diagram at 6, 2, 6 and 1, 6. Then their average latency is being found out, which is being specified by first 1, 6, second is 6 plus 2, 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and third is 3.5. So the value which has the minimum average latency is 3.5, that becomes the greedy cycle, and the minimum average latency throughput is being found out, where throughput is 1 upon mal. So we get this result. So tuned with more videos, more gate solving questions on advanced computer architecture, you can reach me at this particular mail IDs, and all the best students, all the best.